G'day, Ian Castle here, your Aussie vocal coach. Today I'm going to share with you 4 things you should be focusing on as a beginner singer. The tips and exercises in this lesson correspond to the 10-minute vocal workout for beginners, so make sure you check that out after watching this lesson. I'll link that workout up here and at the end of the video. Now the first thing you need to work on is forward resonance. Resonance refers to where your tone vibrates and amplifies when you sing. You can achieve a bright and warm vocal tone by combining a hum and a vowel. The hum places your tone forward in your mouth and then uses nasal resonance for the brightness. Let's try a couple of exercises together. Ah, ah. One more. Ah. The next thing you need to focus on is your jaw position and creating space in your mouth when you sing. Listen to the difference in my vocal tone when I allow my jaw to drop while I hold a note. Notice how my voice became fuller and more resonant by simply creating more space in my mouth. Let's do a quick exercise together to practice this dropped jaw position. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. One more. Ya, 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 ya. The third thing I'm going to talk about is pitch targeting. It's great to have a nice vocal tone, but that can sometimes be brought undone by pitchiness or not singing in the center of the note. The first 2 exercises I showed you moved by steps. Each note is next to each other. This exercise moves by small leaps, which requires you to target pitch in a slightly more difficult way. I'll do a couple of exercises for you. Feel free to join in. Mi, e, a. Mi, e, a. One more. Mi, e, a. Finally, we need to talk about sustaining your voice. To sustain your voice, you need supported and a steady amount of air moving through your vocal cords. Now check out the videos in this playlist if you need to revisit support and breathing. When you are sustaining your voice, you are allowing your air to travel while gently placing the notes and vocal tone on that airflow. This exercise is perfect for that, as you'll sing the 5 major vowels over a decent amount of notes. Your goal is to create a seamless transition between each note. E, a, o. And again. E, a, o. Maybe try it lower. E, a, o. If you work on these 4 things, your singing will definitely improve. As I mentioned earlier, the exercises in this lesson are from the 10-minute beginner workout. So make sure you check that out now to put in practice what you have learned. Now before you go, make sure you do all the usual YouTubey things like subscribing, sharing, clicking that notification bell, and liking this video if it has helped you. See you next time. Bye for now.